How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, guys? This is Master Kelvin FX Eldorado FX. This is basically, guys, to let you know what's going on with what gold, and also we're gonna change now. We're switching to Bitcoin. So just for you guys, US30, we're gonna leave it aside. I'm just gonna touch bases on US30. So it's gonna be a little bit standard our forecast now, but we're gonna go really, really quick. And sorry, guys, if you want signals, you want proper entries, let us know, and then we can help you. So, guys, it has been crazy on gold. We say that below the trend lines, it was going down. And it's basically what happening is the setups we provided more than 2,000 pips to the downside. So that's what I can that's what I can say. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is basically our view in the market. Eldorado FX, Master Calvin FX. We are here for you guys. This is what I can tell you. If you want signals, our brokers are PU Prime and Vantage FX. So we're gonna go straight away into a naked chart, and this is what we're gonna do. And let's use A cup this time. And then let's clean it up. And then we're gonna try to go from weekly. That's what we're gonna try to do in a cut, going from weekly. So I think 100% that the next target, especially after gold closing, if we go close below 2,600 today, most likely we're gonna tackle this level here and clean up this low here, even though it could be this the target as well. But that's what basically is going to happen is we're looking for sales now below 2,600. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Look for sales below 2,600. Simple as that. That's our idea. And the targets that will be these zones weekly. In this case, this is a weekly demand zone, and this price here as well. We have a very big demand area here, but most likely that we're gonna wipe it, or price is going to wipe it. So let's see what's gonna happen. But this is my expectation now in gold. We are in a big correction phase. The correction has been since creating the all-time high, very massive. So we're talking about almost 2,000 pips to the downside. So uh, this is what is happening in gold right now. We have this big rejection here, more than 2,000 pips to the downside. And then we have a structure here that it can give us an entry. Okay, so most likely that we're gonna have an entry to sell from this area. This whole area that will be our selling area. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna be expecting. And I'm gonna tell you guys, this is not going to be a simple ride. You will see that the price is now below this structure here. So this is the closing of the price right now. Still the market open, but if the price remain below all this area that we're expecting is a move to the downside, possibly Asia, we're gonna try to push up. It's gonna try to push up, and then if we can manage to get an entry here around 18 area, that would be really great. Tackling this price and then tackling even going further down to this price here. All right, that could be a massive correction to the downside. All right. But remember, the market is dynamic. That is why we always say to you guys to go and come to our signal group, and then we can help you with the signals. All right. So now we're gonna give you a short position that it might be uh, if you want to enter, just in case. And this will be the short position that we're gonna have. Okay. And 17, and then the SL will be the crazy 7, and will be 2,616.17 will be the entry price, and then the profit, take profit 2,470. That would be the target. It's a massive target, guys, but just in case, remember this also, these are the month's area. So if we trade below 2,600, most likely that we're gonna have a retest and or keep going down. We already are in a signal from 2,615 going down to the downside already in our premium group. Okay, this is what's been going on, and we are basically attacking 2,600 in this case, and once again this is 17, the entry price, so 2,624. That would be a sensible sell here. Okay, this is a daily time frame, guys, and we're looking for a risk to reward. The best SL, to be honest, I'm gonna move actually my entry because I'm expecting the price to might be collect more liquidity than anticipates. So the service, the entry that will be, I will give the area, but this is my expectation on this setup. 2,625, that will be around entry, and then 2,631 will be our sell, and then 2,470, that would be the TP. Remember, we try to go to the 3Ks, but the market is dynamic. We have to go with the flow, and that's what we're trying to do here. So it will be a buy to sell. That's what I'm expecting. And we also see the head, the right shoulder, the left shoulder, and then we're probably gonna have some consolidation here. The price go and stabilize down here and have consolidation and doesn't push up, then we expect more down movement. Okay, this is what is can happen in gold, and that's what I'm basically trying to see, and we're gonna try through the day to identify tomorrow because we got PPI, we got news coming. So yeah, let's go into the calendar actually, so guys you can have an idea about what's going on and what's going to happen in the market tomorrow. We have, yeah, CPI, and then we have PPI on Thursday, and then we have Friday as well. We have news, so it's a lot of news as well going on. So we need to be careful, and we need to go with the flow of the market. So let me type it down for you. So selling area, okay. So we be all the way from 2,603, actually 2,602, 2,602 to 2,625. That's the area that we're gonna be looking for. And then sell idea will be at 2,635. TP, all depend on you guys, but first TP 2,650, 2,550, and then TP 2,470, SL 2,631. That would be actually 60 pips SL. In the case that the entry develops, if you know, once again, confirmation within the zone. So this will be the first sell zone, the zone that we have here, but we also have another one up here that can be even better. So if the price get here between 2,662, 2,685, that would be a really nice price action as well. Having the price going all the way up, take more liquidity to come down. But for now, we see gold is on around more than 2,000 pips to the downside. We want to follow the trend and keep going like that. So let's see what happens. But this is what most likely we're expecting happens in the markets. So guys, be vigilant. That's the only thing we can tell you. Be vigilant. Okay, the market is dynamics, and this is our only sell idea and what I will be looking for. So we also have these demand areas that can also come into play. But for now, because of the breaker structure, I'm targeting at least 2,550. Okay, so I hope that you can benefit from that. So US30, very briefly, I don't even know exactly. The only thing I know is that he hit all the targets that we have for the upside movement, and we basically went all the way more than 2,800 points. So now it's in a retracement wave. So wave, let's see what's gonna happen. So we have another buying opportunity if you retrace all the way to 43,335. So as per Bitcoin, again, we introducing Bitcoin. Bitcoin have basically found or got into a new all-time high. So this is Bitcoin right now, 90,243. Remember that Bitcoin is about to go to the 100K. That's what everyone is expecting. But as usual, I won't trust anything. The only thing I'm gonna do for now on Bitcoin is to keep my eyes on this whole area. That's the only thing I can do. Waiting for a correction from Bitcoin, going back to the previous all-time high around 70,000 area, and then try to buy from there. That's the only idea I have in mind. Because now it's too high to buy. Many it will be selling. That's what I can. We've been back testing Bitcoin, and the behavior is really interesting how it behave, how it push up when it goes. And we went and did an analysis of 5 years of Bitcoin, and we find out that more than 14,000 pips to the upside have been the move, when the correction to the downside only in 2021 was of 3,300 pips. So meaning Bitcoin has been in a rally of 5 years, very interesting. Or since Bitcoin basically started back in 2011, we started going into the market. It was interesting that it was just going. If we go to the 12 months chart, we see it here. So this is the analysis that I did based in 5 years. And guys, you see these years from 2011 to 2016, Bitcoin didn't really even move a lot. We're talking about was really low, but then 2017 came and everything changes. 3 years on the rising. So this first year, 17 on the rising, correction on the 18, but then from 2019 to 2021, we see only rising and rising. And then 2022, we have the big correction to the downside. But look at this 1 year candle, 2024. At the moment, it's a massive candle, guys. It's crazy how Bitcoin has been going to the upside, more than 5,000 pips to the upside, creating a new all-time high, and it's incredible. All right, so we're talking about more than 15,000 pips to the upside. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So Bitcoin, once again, I would suggest to wait for a retracement, and that retracement, guys, get into a buy. There's nothing else I can say about Bitcoins. We're gonna keep an eye on it, and let's see. But most likely, the Bitcoin can give a retracement from this point. It will be the case, but I'm gonna wait for tomorrow, because if it hit the 100K, probably the correction will be from here. So I will say, even though once again Bitcoin for us is a new field, but this is what I'm basically gonna wait in here. So I'm gonna wait with a setup in Bitcoin, a sell setup, correcting to the downside because it's too high to buy, and I'm expecting checking this is 24/7. Remember Bitcoin, but if we manage to get to the 100,000, then we're gonna get into the move. That's basically what are probably expecting here. So Bitcoin to get to the 100,000, and then we can you can just do a sell. That would be in this case my suggestion was a short SL just in case. All right, so let's go to the 100,000 price. That's what Bitcoin to do, and we need to join. That's what I'm expecting in here. So 100,000 SL, not really that crazy. So the SL that we getting at the moment. So yeah, it's a short one. It's a 26 pips SL. So let's go a little bit more. You okay? So this is our sell, because as I say, it's just in case the correction comes like right here. Remember, there's no resistance at the moment, so and it have to be that it's a psychological level 100K expected for many investors. And let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, that was Bitcoin. You saw, guys, I will show you the movement, US30 as well, gold as well. So all the best. This is a Dorado FX, Master Kelvin FX, more happy than ever. I mean, we helping people with our signals, we doing our best as usual. Take care all, and see you next time. Bye bye all.